Delicious egg salad recipe. Ingredients you'll need. Before we dive into the directions, let's take a closer look at the ingredients. 8 large eggs. The star of the dish. Choose fresh eggs for the best texture and flavor. Half a cup mayonnaise. Adds creaminess and binds the salad together. Opt for a high-quality mayonnaise for a richer taste. A 1/4 cup chopped green onion. Brings a pop of freshness and a mild onion flavor. 1 teaspoon prepared yellow mustard. Adds tanginess and depth to the dish. 1/4 teaspoon paprika. Provides a hint of smokiness and enhances the presentation with a dash of color. Salt and pepper to taste. Essential for seasoning and balancing the flavors. Step-by-step directions. 1. Gather all ingredients. The first step is simple but crucial, gathering all your ingredients. This ensures you're organized and ready to move through the recipe seamlessly. 2. Cook the eggs perfectly. Perfectly cooked eggs are the foundation of a great egg salad. Follow these steps for foolproof results. Place the eggs in a saucepan and cover them with cold water. Bring the water to a boil over medium-high heat. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, remove the saucepan from heat and cover it with a lid. Let the eggs sit in the hot water for 10 to 12 minutes. This method ensures the eggs are perfectly cooked, no rubbery whites or overcooked yolks here. 3. Cool, peel, and chop. After the eggs are cooked, transfer them to a bowl of ice water. This stops the cooking process and makes peeling easier. Once the eggs are completely cool, gently tap the eggs on a hard surface to crack the shell. Peel the eggs under running water to remove the shell effortlessly. Chop the peeled eggs into bite-sized pieces and set them aside. 4. Mix the ingredients. Now comes the fun part, assembling your egg salad. Place the chopped eggs in a large mixing bowl. Add half a cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of chopped green onion, and 1 teaspoon of prepared yellow mustard. Sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon of paprika and season with salt and pepper to taste. Use a spatula or wooden spoon to gently fold the ingredients together until well combined. Be careful not to mash the eggs too much. You want a creamy yet chunky texture. 5. Serve and enjoy. Your egg salad is now ready to be served. Here are a few serving ideas. Spread it on your favorite bread or sandwich rolls for a classic egg salad sandwich. Scoop it onto crackers for a quick snack or appetizer. Serve it over a bed of fresh salad greens for a light, refreshing meal. Tips to elevate your egg salad. Add crunch. For extra texture, try adding diced celery or pickles. These ingredients add a satisfying crunch and a burst of flavor. Go bold. Swap out yellow mustard for Dijon mustard or add a splash of hot sauce for a spicy kick. Herb it up. Fresh herbs like dill, parsley, or chives can add an herby twist to the classic recipe. Use Greek yogurt. For a healthier alternative, replace some or all of the mayonnaise with Greek yogurt. Make it fancy. Serve your egg salad in lettuce cups or use it as a topping for avocado toast for a gourmet presentation.